Hey, good morning, guys. It's Mark Nuvola with Ground FX Flooring. I hope this video finds you well. We're doing a commercial job today, and we're trying to fill some expansion joints so that we can put our Signature Flake System product over this concrete slab. If you look at the cut here, you know, there's some filling spots here that are need to be cleaned out. So the first thing you want to do is obviously clean out your joint, which we're going to do with our Metabo line cutter here. It's connected to our vacuum so we can keep our dust control down. Once it's cleaned out, I'm going to vacuum it out. I'm going to put some of this sand inside the crack filler, and then I'm going to mix my 101 polyurea crack filler. We have these in stock. Send me a PM if you want to know more about this product. But in 15 minutes, I'm going to come back and grind it smooth so that we can have an opportunity to get all the prepping and crack filling done in just one day. It's a large job. So stand by. We'll do a few more videos for information. Give me a call, 618-988-6700. I've got staff on site ready to take your calls. Thank you. Hey guys, we're back just showcasing one of our products here for efficiency. We have this in our truck on every single job, even if we don't use it. Multi-purpose use crack filler, polyurea base, 1-to-1 ratio. So Sully's going to show you this crack. We just cleaned it out with one of our tools. We had Derek put a fine silica sand in there. We don't want to get it all the way to the top. You want to leave a little bit of a grout line, if you will, so that when we put our polyurea in there, it soaks into the sand. We bring it up right to level with the surface, and then we'll just broadcast a light sand on top of it. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we'll be back here grinding it, and then it'll be completely smooth from one end to the other for a seamless wall-to-wall type finish. Highly recommended. Once again, 1-to-1 ratio. So basically, if I put 8 ounces here of this part, okay. Now you got to move pretty quick with this stuff. So I only mix about 16 ounces at a time. And I use a ketchup bottle to disperse the lines or the cracks or the spalling or whatever it is that you're trying to treat. And it goes really fast, and it actually, this 2-gallon kit will stretch for multiple jobs. This one here, we've only got a few expansion joints we're gonna fill. So I'm just waiting for Derek to bring me a little mixing stick. There he is. So now we're gonna put 8 ounces of A, 8 ounces of B will get me up to the 16-ounce mark. And you really don't have to do like a whole lot of mixing on this, guys. I'm telling you, I normally have 2 cups and I'll squish them back and forth for just a couple of seconds. But here, I'll just give it a few seconds of a twirl. Doesn't take much. And the clock is ticking, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and start working here. Yeah, these type of products really help our business move quickly, depending on the timelines, right? So if I didn't have to have the cracks done right away, I would just use like an epoxy-based crack filler. It takes about 4 hours to dry, so I would come back the next day and then just begin the coating process. But today we're going to use this. It's real simple. How it's filling in nice, got control of it. Now, if you start running out of time, obviously, once you get your rhythm going, you can go ahead and start moving nice and quick. Now I got my rhythm going. Easy product, cost effective, and that's pretty much it. Data sheet, price list, color chart, 618-988-6700, or DM one of my team members, Kelly,